Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. We started exercise 2.1 and we solved question number 1. The question number 1 was that find dy by dx by definition. Taking the derivative with respect to x by definition. In the second question of 2.1, the question is find dy by dx from first principle. So whether it is first principle or by definition, both are the same thing. Even if it is done A, B, initio method, by definition, first principle or A, B, initio method, all three are same. We have to follow the same steps. Exercise 2.1, question number 2, we try to solve part 1, y is equal to square root of x plus 2 or x plus 2 power 1 by taking small increment on both sides. So x plus delta x plus 2 power 1 by 2, or we can also write it as x plus 2 plus delta x whole power 1 by 2. Taking this x plus 2 common and shift this y from left to right. So we can write x plus 2 is common. So remaining is, for this complete, 1 plus delta x divided by x plus 2 minus y, or we can also write x plus 2 power 1 by 2 1 plus delta x plus 2 power 1 by 2 minus x plus 2 power 1 by 2. Now apply binomial theorem, binomial series here. One plus 1 by 2 into delta x divided by x plus 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta x divided by x plus 2 whole power 2 plus so on minus x plus 2 whole power 1 by 2. Or apply this one, x plus 2 power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into delta x, and when we take this one x plus 2 from denominator to numerator, it becomes minus 1, 1 by 2 minus 1. So we have delta x into x plus 2 power minus 1 by 2 plus this one. There is no need to simplify. If you want to simplify, you may, but there is no need actually. Delta x square, it is x plus 2 minus 2, and this one is plus 1. So what is the answer here? Minus 3 by 2. So x plus 2 power minus 3 by 2, so on, minus x plus 2 power 1 by 2. These two are cancelled here. So in the first step, we suppose this one, and then taking increment on both sides, here in y, and another side, right side, we take the increment in x. Then we are taking x plus 2 common from this expression. So we have 1 plus delta x over x plus 2. Now this power is for both. So we have applied. Apply the binomial series here, and then multiply this complete with x plus 2 whole power 1 by 2. Now x plus 2 whole power 1 by 2, both are cancelled. So this is the remaining terms we have. Now dividing delta x on both sides, and in this take it out, delta x common. So we have 1 over 2 into x plus 2 power minus 1 by 2 plus or minus 1 by 2 into delta x is common, 1 delta x is left, x plus 2 power minus 3 by 2 plus so on. Whole is divided by delta x. So this delta x is cancelled with this delta x. Now apply the limit. Limit delta x approaches 0, delta x is equal to limit delta x approaches 0 into 1 by 2 x plus 2 power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 delta x plus 2 power minus 3 by 2 plus so on. This becomes dy by dx, and on the other side when we apply this limit delta x approaches 0, there is no delta x. So this term remains same. But in all next terms delta x is involved. So these are 0. So we have 1 by 2 x plus 2 power minus 1 by 2. Or this can also be written as you may also write 2 into square root of x plus 2. So this is the result. We have the derivative of this expression, this function, we have this one. So derivative of this value, we have this. I try to solve another question, but one thing more, that 2.1 exercise and 2.2 exercise, both are the same. There is no difference in the question, in the pattern, in the steps. The question in 2.2 exercise, the same thing. He is saying find from first principles the derivatives of the following expression with respect to their respective independent variables. Whatever the variable is involved, we have to solve that one. I solved 2 questions from this so that you will be able to understand the situation. The question number 1, there is only one question. There are 5 parts. Let y is equal to ax plus b power 3. So this is the simple taking increment on both sides. If you want to open before taking increment, that also possible, but if you want. So if I take if I want to open it, so ax cube plus 3ax square plus into b plus 3ax into b plus b cube. This is it. Because this is a simple cube formula, so we can open it. So a cube x cube plus 3a square b x square, this one 3abx plus b cube. Now if you want to take the increment, so y plus delta y is equal to, take the increment here, this is the value of y, this is all is y. Y plus delta y, so a cube into x plus delta x whole cube plus 3a square b into x plus delta x whole square plus 3ab x plus delta x plus b cube. Now open this one and shift this value of y from left to right. So we have a cube x cube plus delta x cube plus 3 x square into delta x plus 3x into delta x square plus 3a square b into x square plus 2x into delta x plus delta x square plus 3abx plus 3ab delta x plus b cube minus y, this one. Open this value, so we have a cube x cube plus a cube delta x whole cube 3a cube x square into delta x plus 3a cube x into delta x square plus 3a square b x square plus 6a square b x into delta x plus 3a square b into delta x whole square plus 3abx plus 3ab delta x plus b cube y value minus, this is y. So minus a cube x cube minus 3a square b x square minus 3abx minus b cube. Now cancel the values which are these two are cancelled, and this value will be cancelled here, and b cube and b cube. So the remaining are a cube delta x cube plus 3a cube x square delta x plus 3a cube x delta x plus 6a square b x delta x plus 3a square b delta x square plus 3ab delta x. Now dividing delta x on both sides and also taking limit delta x approaches 0. So this becomes dy by dx. Here delta x common. Limit delta x approaches 0 into delta x a cube delta x square plus 3 a cube x square plus 3 a cube x plus delta x. Plus 6 a square b delta x plus 3a square b delta x plus 3ab. 4 is divided by, both are cancelled. Now when we apply this delta x, so we have this term 0 plus this term again 0 plus this term again 0 plus 3ab. So we have 3a cube x square plus 6a square b x plus 3ab. So this is the derivative of this. This is the derivative of this value. So this is the, if you don't want to open this one and solve it as it is, that is also possible. But this is the I opened and simplified, because without opening we have already solved in 2.1 exercise. It was possible to open, so that's why I applied the formula and solved it. So I take another question from this exercise. Third part. Let y is equal to 3t plus 2 power minus 2. So method is same, but here t is involved. So the question is saying find the derivative with respect to the variable, the respective independent variable which is involved here. So here we will try to find with respect to t. So taking increment on both sides, so t plus delta t plus 2 power minus 2, or this can also be written as 3t plus 3 delta t plus 2 power minus 2, or this can also be written as 3t plus 2 plus 3 delta t whole power minus 2, or take it out common this value. So we have 1 plus 3 delta t divided by 3t plus 2 whole power minus 2. This one. The power is for both. So 3t plus 2 power minus 2 and 1 plus 3 delta t divided by 3t plus 2 power minus 2. Now the remaining method is same, that this is y plus delta y. Take this value from left to right. Delta y 3t plus 2 power minus 2. Open this one, 1 plus minus 2 and 3 delta t divided by 3t plus 2 plus minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial, 3 delta t divided by 3t plus 2 whole square plus 1 and minus y. Open this one, so we have 3t plus 2 power minus 2 minus 2 into this will be become 3 means 6 delta t into 3t plus 2 power minus 1 and power minus 2. Power minus 3 becomes. So this one becomes 2 and 2 cancel, minus and minus plus 3 into 3 delta t whole square into 3t plus 2 power minus 4 plus 1 minus y is 3t plus 2 power minus 2. These two are cancelled here. Now taking limit delta x approaches 0 and dividing delta x on both sides. So minus 6 delta t 3t plus 2 minus 3 plus 3 into 3t plus 2 power minus 4 plus so on. Whole is divided by delta t. Here also we are taking t and delta t. So take it out common delta t and apply this limit dy by dt here, because with respect to t we are taking the derivative. So here limit delta t approaches 0, so delta t is common, minus 6 into 3t plus 2 power minus 3 plus 3 into 9 delta t square 3t plus 2 power minus 4 so on. Whole is divided by delta t. cancelled. So dy by dt is equal to 3t plus 2 power minus 2. So here when we apply this limit, so minus 6, 3t plus 2 minus power minus 3 as it is, and this term 0, and remaining all the terms become 0 because delta t is always there involved. So here 0 and so. So we have minus 6, 3t plus 2 power minus 3. Or it can also be written as dy by dt is equal to minus 6 divided by 3t plus 2 power 3. So the derivative of that function is minus 6 divided by 3t plus 2 whole power 3. So this is the method to find derivative by definition, whether it is by definition, first principle, or AB initio method. All these three are the same thing. We have to follow all these three, 4 steps. First we suppose and then take an increment on both sides. After that, take this value of y from left to right and open this expression, cancel the values, dividing delta x or whatever the value is involved on both sides, taking delta x approaches 0 on both sides. So, and result we have now. So this is the method to simplify 2.1 and 2.2 exercise. Both are the same thing, same method, no major change. So try to simplify all these questions, but if you feel any problem, you may do contact with me.